Hello friends, today I am going to present my activity number 7, that is dismantling of water heater, guided by Dr. Mangal Dhen ma'am. So first of all, what is electric water heater? Water heater is a heat transfer process that uses an energy source to heat water above its initial temperature. Typical domestic uses of hot water include cooking, cleaning, bathing, and space heating. In industries, hot water and water heated to steam have many uses. So, the different parts of water heater are tank, heating coil, thermostat, reset button, inlet and outlet pipe. First, water heater tank. So, water heater tank is shown in beside figure. So we can see that the tank is of stainless steel. This tank is made up of stainless steel. Okay, the capacity in liter which the manufacturers provide is nothing but the capacity of the water tank. So we know that the water heater are in capacity is in liters. So this capacity is nothing but the volume of this steel tank. Next is heating coil. So heating coil is made up of nichrome coil, that is alloy of nickel and chromium, that is 80% of nickel and 20% of chromium, and this nichrome coil is surrounded by magnesium oxide powder, and the outer layer of this is of stainless steel alloy. The next is thermostat. Thermostat is a temperature sensor. It is used to sense the temperature, and it cuts the current when the temperature reaches the required value. So next is reset button. This reset button is nothing but a protective device. Means when the any problem occurs, then by pressing this reset button we can cut off the supply. It is also called as ECO, that is emergency cut off switch, or it is also called as high limit thermostat safety switch. Here I have opened electric geyser. So this is a thermostat which is a temperature sensor, and this cuts off the current when the temperature is reached to the required value. This is a reset button. When some unfavorable condition occurs, then by pressing this reset button we can turn off this thermostat. It is also called as ECO, which is emergency cut off switch. And we can see this internal structure of the heater. The U-shaped pipe here is the inlet, and here the straight pipe is the outlet, and this in the middle, this is a coil, so it is totally damaged. And here we can clearly see that this is a nichrome coil, and in this tube there is magnesium oxide, and this tube is made up of stainless steel alloy. This is a water tank which is of 3-liter capacity. We all know that the water heater is of capacity 3-liter, 5-liter, 7-liter. This capacity is nothing but the capacity of this tank, and this tank is placed outside this coil. So this is the assembly, whole assembly, which is place inside this plastic casing, and it is just fitted by a screw. Okay, thank you. Here, thank you, ma'am, for giving me opportunity to present my activity. Thank you.